Check out this Vevor Tool Cart. This is super nice. Drink holders, little cubby spots to put your small tools in. You even got a towel holder down here if you needed it, or some sort of paper towels or something like that. It's got 3 shelves to it. The center one you don't have to put in it if you needed the extra room. But this is excellent if you're in a shop where you're working on vehicles and you need to just roll around your tool cart. Sometimes it's nice to have all your tools right there at your hands. Otherwise, you're always going back to your tool cabinet and digging for what you need. It's got swivel wheels, it's got lockable wheels. So this is a super hard, durable plastic, and also can hold like 525 pounds. So that's quite a bit for a cart like that. So this is nice, really like it. I think the weight here, so yeah, 550 pounds is the total weight. No more than, it looks like 275 pounds per shelf. So that's excellent. Vevor, tough tools, half price, better than Harbor Freight.
And just for context, we've now had this cart for a couple of months and we have used the crap out of it. We used it during our 1950s Massey Ferguson tractor rebuild, and now we've been using it a lot during our 1989 Chevy Cheyenne truck rebuild. And let me tell you, I was shocked. First of all, I've never had a utility cart like this. They're so much stronger than I thought. James had every bit of probably 200 to 300 pounds of tools on this thing, and it still rolled just fine, and look at it. It has held up beautifully. We have another utility cart from another brand that was similar in price, and I like this one so much more because it has this additional shelf in the middle. The other one that we have only has the shelf up top and the shelf up bottom. So because it has 3, you can put so much more stuff on it, and honestly, it's just been great. Prior to having this, we just had tools all over the place, and I was always carrying and bringing stuff to James. And having a cart like this is just really easy to push around. You can fit a lot of stuff on it, and it's just been awesome. I don't know. I really like this thing. It's a lot better than the other one that we have, and the price of it's great. So if you want one, the link, of course, is going to be in the description below. Vevor's got great products, so check out all of the stuff that they have, but especially this utility cart. Happy homesteading!